Hello, guys. I am back again. It's your girl, Chris, with Curls with Chris. And this week, we are going through some Boxycharm. I don't even know what to call this, like late gram, later gram, whatever, because y'all, I got my boxes super late. I don't know why, but I've been getting them like dumb late for no reason. So yeah, before I get my December one, which I think my December is going to be the Boxy Luxe, I had to jump on here and just quickly run through what I got in October and November. So right now I'm just going to ask you guys, per usual, please like and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm loving that you're here and visiting with me and watching me and, you know, interested in what I'm talking about. So please, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button, click that like button, and leave me some comments below so we can chit chat, be friends, girl. Let's be friends. So yeah, if you're interested to see what I got in my Boxycharm the previous 2 months, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So for October, and this is gonna be real quick, y'all, like real quick. So for October, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, which is the usual. The first thing that okay guys, so the first product that I got in my October box was the Luxie Wonderlust set. It's a 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. This set retails at $40. Let me show you these brushes. First of all, my favorite color is purple. Look at these brushes. It's a 5-piece set. So, and it comes with this super cute case for them if you're traveling, and I like how it has this sort of like satiny material in the inside, because a lot of people who, if you do makeup, you know makeup brushes will mess up your cases because the makeup gets stuck on the inside, and this one, it seems like you can basically wipe it off. So very excited. So yeah, I'm very happy about those brushes. Like I said, I have really grown my makeup brush collection off of Boxycharm brushes alone. So thank you, Boxycharm, for always selecting those for my boxes. So the next product that they gave is the Ciate London, the Editor Palette. And this is what it came in. And let me show you the actual palette. Well, I'll get a close-up of it anyway, but this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. I love it so much. And the inside is very frosty colors like this. So I'm super pressed to use this palette. I'll get a close-up of it and I'll put it, link it in here somewhere. But it has like, it's called the New England palette, I guess, or I'm guessing because it's Ciate London. But yeah, so I'm just sold off of the packaging itself. It's so pretty. This retails at $32, so that's not bad. And y'all know I always need palettes. That's something that I never get, that you never can have enough of. So the next thing is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. I have got the number 21 dark. So let me show you the packaging, because I am going to link a swatch of it somewhere here. But this is what it looks like, and I love that it doesn't really look dark to me, but this is what it looks like outside of there. It says it's the color dark, but this doesn't look dark to me, but we'll see. I'm gonna swatch it on my arm, and we'll just go from there. This retails at $24, and I don't know why, but it's giving me a kind of dry concealer vibes, but I'll try everything at least once, girl. We'll see. So the next thing in this box, in the October box, was the Sol de Janeiro Soulmate. And this is it's called the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuacu Lip Butter. And it's tinted. And this retails at $20. But look how cute this is. This is adorable, and it definitely says tinted, but this looks like a whole lipstick to me. This looks like a whole lipstick, but I'm gonna try it out. I will swatch it and I will link it somewhere here. Y'all can tell me what y'all think. Have y'all tried this out before? I've never tried it. I didn't even know they made lip things. All I knew is about the body butters that they have. So let me know what y'all think about it. The last thing that we have for this box is the Ace Beauty Draw It lip liner. This is what the packaging looks like. It retails at about $16. Oh, and it has two lip pencils in here. So one looks like it's red and it's called So Gorgeous, and then the other one is like a hazel and it's called Be Peachy. So I will let you guys know how these look. Like I said, I'm going to swatch them and I will link them somewhere here so that we can know what they look like. This is what they actually look like. They look very smooth, so I think that these will be something that I can definitely use if my sisters don't take them for me like they do everything else. But yeah, I'm excited about these. These will definitely go into my drawer of items that I can use on the daily. And these retailed at $16. I don't know if I said that already, but $16. So do y'all need a break? This Boxycharm box was called the Candy Shop, obviously, because it was October and you get candy for Halloween. So let me know what y'all think about that one. Give me some comments so that we can chit chat back and forth. Go ahead, get you guys something to drink, and we're gonna jump right into this November box. Let me know. See y'all back in. Okay guys, I am back. Y'all get your glass of water because I got mine. Now let's jump into this October box. So the first thing that we're even gonna start off with is this Natasha Denona Peak Palette. This is the packaging that it came in. Obviously, I think to keep it safe in shipping, but I actually think that these are really, really pretty colors. So it's actually called the Peak Palette, and each color, this is Aya, Jasper, Thorn, Amhara, and Shine. So very small. These are the colors, and I'll show you guys an up close. I already know that I'm probably gonna use this one for sure. I don't know, I'm not really good at using shimmery colors, but I'm gonna try to use her too. And this is really, really pretty. These two can do a really great like neutral eye for the holidays. So I'm feeling it, Natasha Denona girl. I'm feeling it. This retails at $48. So let me know what y'all think about that palette. It has 5 colors in it, but I do feel like all 5 of these colors are something that you can use on the daily. Especially, you know what? This will be cute for a Thanksgiving look. Especially this color here. It's just giving me turkey, gobble gobble, these 2 colors vibes right there. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. So the next thing we have is the Dr. Brandt antioxidant spray toner. That is this right here. It retails at $40. It has green and white tea extract in it, and anybody who knows me knows I love a spray toner. I love a spray anything to just spray on my face. I love it. So, and it's supposed to keep your face feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized, and that's something that I can always get with. So this is probably going to end up being a staple in my beauty regimen, because I basically every night before I go to bed I spray my face, because that is when your skin cells rejuvenate overnight when you're sleeping. So this will be something that I'll add to my nighttime routine. Y'all forgive me because these braces is just ruining my life with the speech right now. So the next thing that I got is the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. And we've all heard about this particular eyebrow gel. So we've all heard of the Benefit Gimme Brow before. And so this is just, I don't think that I have ever used it though. I know for a fact I've never purchased it. So this will be a good time for me to try it. The packaging, if you haven't seen it, it looks like this, and the application brush is like a little miniature eyelash brush. Yeah, so this is the what color is this? Because it looks kind of brown. This color is, it just has 4 on it, so I'm actually not sure what color this is. It must be number 4. This must be number 4, which is like a brown. And I'm actually happy about that because I've been into using like a lighter color on my brows lately. So I'll let you know how I feel about that, guys. I'll let you know how I feel about this this product. So the next product is the, and that retails for $24 if I didn't already mention it. Not sure if I did. It's the Beauty Creations by Esmeralda by Beauty Creations palette. I'll show you guys a picture of it here somewhere. But this palette is really, really pretty. Y'all, these are all neutral tones. For a neutral girl who loves a tan, an olive, a brown, this is our time to shine, y'all. This is our time to shine. Okay. I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. I'm gonna stop playing. But yeah, it has 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 colors. A couple of shimmery shades around here. And the rest of them are definitely like neutral tones. We even have like olives here. I'm here for it. I'm here for it, Beauty Creations. Esmeralda, Hunchback of Notre Dame. I'm here for it. So yeah, this retails at $13.99, so it's definitely affordable, guys. I'm gonna find out where you can purchase this. If not, you can always Google search Beauty Creations, and I'm pretty sure this will pop up, but I will try to link it below for you guys. But I'm here for this little harvesty looking palette. Harvest time. So the last product that I am going to that came in my box was the Lamar Cosmetics primer, Primero primer, long wear sticky pigment base. And I'm actually very excited about this because you know what, I was just telling my makeup artist friend Lene, hey Lene girl, that I wanted to start learning how to do a cut crease because I don't know how to do that. So I think that this product could help me because it has, you know, that sort of white base, and I think that's what you need for the cut crease, but we'll see. I'll try to put the color of it here somewhere. And yeah, and it's very it's not very sticky. It's kind of staying in one place. I'm here for that. I'm here for it. This retails at $15, and you know what, I think that I'm gonna try this out in a coming video. So you guys look out for that. And I'm for a makeup tutorial video on how I'm gonna be learning how to do my cut creasing. So those are all the products that I got in these 2 boxes. I hope I didn't take up too much of you guys' time. And yeah, I'm very excited to use these products. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys for the December video, and let's see what we got in our Boxy Luxe, y'all. Let's just kind of imagine what we gonna have. Maybe a couple more palettes. I'm here for a palette, y'all. I'm here for a palette. All right, so like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you want to see. I want to know all of that info, y'all, all of it. So I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys are on Instagram, follow your girl at prissy_girl_Chris. Prissy girl Chris. 2 underscores behind those 2, Prissy and girl. And yeah, go ahead and follow me. See what I be doing. See how I be acting. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.